Hi buddies, welcome back. Today I want to show you how you can use the circle to search on your Samsung Galaxy S24. It's one of the AI features on that phone and I will show you how to use that. We will go to our gallery now and then go to one of our photos, and I took a photo of our Samsung Galaxy S24 box, and now we will press and hold on the home button here, and then this comes up, and then we simply circle around the object that we want to look up, and now we get a lot of results here about the Samsung Galaxy S24. So that's how you can use the circle to search on your Samsung Galaxy S24. If you have not enabled that, then you can go ahead and just press here, and then that will pop up. You just say to continue, and then you can use a circle to search. So I hope you liked this little video about the circle to search. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. I say thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.